In this video, I'll show you how to create a report in Clickup. Creating a report in Clickup is useful when you want to track progress, review team performance, monitor completed tasks, or understand how a project is moving over time. In Clickup, reports are usually created using dashboards, widgets, and filtered views. First, open Clickup in your browser and sign in to your account. From your workspace, go to the left side menu and click Dashboards. If you do not already have a dashboard, click New Dashboard or Create Dashboard. Next, give your dashboard a clear name. For example, you can call it Weekly Project Report, Team Performance Report, or Marketing Task Report. Choose a name that explains what the report is meant to show. After creating the dashboard, click Add Card or Add Widget. ClickUp offers different reporting cards, such as task lists, charts, workload, time tracking, calculation cards, and status overview cards. Now choose the type of report you want. If you want to see how many tasks are completed, use a task status or pie chart card. If you want to review deadlines, use a task list filtered by due date. If you want to track time spent on work, use a time tracking card. Next, select the source of the data. This means choosing the space, folder, or list you want the report to pull information from. You can report on one project, several lists, or even your whole workspace, depending on your needs. After that, apply filters to make the report more specific. For example, you can filter by assignee, status, priority, due date, tags, or custom fields. This helps you focus only on the information that matters. Once your cards are added, arrange them on the dashboard so the most important information appears first. You can resize cards, move them around, and add more cards as your reporting needs grow. Finally, review the dashboard regularly or share it with your team. A good ClickUp report helps everyone see progress clearly and make better decisions. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.